Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Video. Today we are going to continue the thunkable calculator. So in the last video I forgot to do something. So once you enter your simple calculator or your calculator project, forgot to do something. So the color calculator screen has to be highlighted, the name. And now if you see this vertical alignment, you have to keep it to space around, so it look like this. That is one thing I forgot to do last time. So like I said in the last video, today we are going to be doing the code. So I'm not sure if it will take 16 lines of code for this time, but let's just try minimizing the code. So we need to keep the result of this. So now button 1, okay, so plus when plus click. Now if you see, we got to remember these names. So if you see this one's name is label symbol, so you got to put text in label symbol. Set text in label symbols text to set label symbols text to plus. Oops. Plus. That is better. Now I got to set the answer. So what's the answer button called? Label equal. No, not label equal. It's called so we forgot to change the answer for the answer label, so I'm just going to name it answer label. So answer label, that's better. Now we're going to set label symbols text to plus, and now we got to put set answer labels text to. So like in code.org, when you do something like division, sometimes it gets to a decimal number and it gets very big. So to avoid that, we are gonna put the estimate block. So we are gonna use the estimate block to estimate the number. So first we got to put the answer label to a math. So a plus over here. Wait a second, it just is plus, and we got to get a text input from text input 1. One's text, go in there, and now text input 2's text. Text input 2's text. Why is it not fitting? It's not going there. That's better. And now we need a estimating. So where will we find estimating? We can find the estimating in so we will find the estimate block the math. It'll actually be written to round 2. So I'm just gonna put this round 2 over here, and yeah, it'll look like this. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Now let's see, which we'll do that later. Now we need to do it for the others. So instead of keep adding blocks, you can just do copy paste. So click on the when click block, do Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and the whole code is duplicated. Now all we gotta do is just do the minus when minus is clicked. That we keep doing, but instead of pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V again, just press Ctrl V and change but minus. And now here it is multiplication, and I'm going to do multiplying, and the last one is divide. So divide and divide and divide. Now let's check if the code is working properly. So now we are going to be testing the code. So let's click on the preview button. Now I press the preview button. Now let's test. So whatever number 45. Let's say 32. So now we do plus, we get the answer as 77. We do minus, we get 13. We do multiplication, 1440. And division, we get 1. It actually estimated the closest number. That's the reason we got 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video and turn on the notifications.